that blue EcoSport to the right of that. To the left side, you can see all the way to the train tracks. You guys just saw that sort of that MRT or LRT train drive by or pass us by. So you can essentially see up to 2 lanes to your right and up to 2 lanes to your left. I have the camera situated right underneath the rear view mirror, so pretty much center line of the vehicle. And again, this is the Mio, I believe it's the 792 model that they have. What's nice is it has GPS. It's also keeping track of my speed on the screen. I don't know how necessarily that's going to translate when I upload the video for you guys, but hopefully you guys can see my speed. I'm simply talking on the normal voice in the cabin. I'm roughly about 12 inches away from the car. About 18 inches away from the not the car, from the dash cam. So I'm about 18 inches away from the dash cam. So you guys can see what the nighttime video looks like for the Mio dash cam. Again, let me look at this model. I believe, if I can grab it. Yeah, this is the MiVue 792. Okay. MiVue 792. It's a 1080 60 frames per second. Uses the STARVIS, so it uses the SONY STARVIS sensor. Again, the aperture is 1.8, which makes it fantastic for nighttime driving, for low light situations. Super easy to use. Honestly, it comes with the suction mount, so it's really simple to install. Right now I have it plugged through the cigarette lighter. I didn't route the cord up through the headliner simply because I'm using this dash cam as a demo. I'm going to use the other dash cams as well so that you guys can sort of compare the video quality from one to the other, so you guys can have a good reference. Alright, so right now you guys can sort of see the building to the right and also the wall for the train station up